this video, I'm going to be taking a look at 1 equaling 0. There's many proofs out there that show that 1 equals 0, and in every case there's usually something mathematically that is going wrong. In this particular example of how 1 equals 0, I'm going to use an integral form. Okay, we're going to take a look at this integral, we're going to integrate it, and I'm going to show you how 1 equals 0. Alright, so first off here, I'm going to want to use integration by parts. So our integration by parts formula is uv minus the integral of v du. So we're going to be using this integration by parts formula to go ahead and integrate this. Alright, so for my integration by parts, here I'm going to let my u be 1 over x. Go ahead and put that in a box since I'm going to need that for my formula. My dv then is going to be dx, and I'm going to need that for my formula, so I'll put that in a box. Alright, taking the derivative here, I'll have a du is equal to a negative 1 over x squared dx, and then we'll need that substitution, so I'll go ahead and put that in a box as well. Alright, and then over here, integrating both sides, so if I integrate dv and I integrate dx, then I'm going to have a v equaling an x, and I'll need that for my substitution. Okay, so coming back over here and taking all of those pieces and parts over here and putting them in, my u is 1 over x, my v is equal to x, minus the integral of v, which is x, and then du is negative 1 over x squared dx. Alright, so this here equals 1, and then I'm minus, or minus and a minus here is going to turn that into a plus, and then I'm going to have the x on top, so really I'll have the integral of 1 over x dx. Alright, so there, my integration is complete. So this integral equals this integral, so let's come down here and write that. I'm going to have the integral of 1 over x dx is equal to 1 plus the integral of 1 over x dx. Now, if I go ahead and I subtract the integral of 1 over x dx from both sides, so minus the integral 1 over x dx, that means it's going to cross out on this side, and then I'm going to subtract the integral of 1 minus x dx over here on this side. Alright, quantity minus quantity there is going to give me a 0 on this side is equal to a 1 on this side. So there we have 0 equaling 1. Okay, now, obviously, there's something wrong with this. You could go ahead and pause the video, see if you can figure out where the mistake is. There's always something mathematically wrong anytime you work through a proof that shows that 1 equals 0 or 1 equals 2 or whatever the proof happens to be. So if you would like a little bit of time to figure this out, go ahead, hit pause. Alright, because I am going to go ahead and share the answer here. So, question. Alright, does 1 really equal 0? Alright, the key here is in that constant of integration. Students often forget about that constant of integration for indefinite integrals. Alright, in this particular case, the constants on both sides are going to differ by 1. The constants will differ by 1. Okay, so notice in all of this, I did not do a plus c. I didn't show the plus c, that constant of integration. So definitely you would have 1 on both sides, and they're going to differ by 1. So definitely, thanks for watching. These types of proofs are always interesting, and if you would like more of them, you can hunt some more up on my channel because I've got a few others. Definitely, thanks for watching, and don't forget to share with your friends. Thanks.